Hey you guys, I want to share a quick tip with you, and I hope it works for you as well as it did for me, but it's how to keep your pegboard hooks on your pegboard without having to go buy those specialty pegboard locks, which from what I've heard don't work. I've never tried them, or anything else. So I'm going to show you real quick what I do, and hopefully it works for you as well as it does for me. So what you're going to do is take a regular old zip tie. You're going to kind of bend it a little bit, then take the end about an inch up, and then just bend it, and then you're going to send it through and slowly just keep sending it through, and then it's going to click right there. It's going to pop right out of this other side, and then all you have to do is, if you can't reach it from there, is get a pair of needle nose pliers, and then you're just going to zip it and then cut off the excess, and then that hook isn't going to be going anywhere. So hopefully this tip helps.